Hi everyone, and welcome to Bonnie's Best Creations. And over the next little while I'll try and send you some videos on our camping trip up northern Ontario. And the internet's not the best here, we're camping, but I will give you glimpses of a wonderful vacation, so please join me. Here we go. My favorite trail to walk on. There's nothing better than this. Now, we've just come through a storm, and in the north, with all the forest and all that, thunderstorms can be quite severe. So that's okay. We will